What's up, YouTube? I just got done finishing a dumb little project to repurpose one of these cases right here. As you can see, I got a few of them laying around, but I wanted to make a little Bluetooth speaker, and it actually was pretty simple. Got one knob. You can see I just drilled a little hole right there so you can see the little LED light on it. But it's just a little speaker with two little, I think they're 2.4 inches big. But let's see how it sounds. Alexa, play playlist license free.
Your playlist license free on Amazon Music.
Of course, I have to play music that's license free, but I don't know if you'll be able to hear how good it sounds on, of course, the phone. But I mean, this little thing jams. It gets down. Super simple to make. Super simple to make. Actually, I have a couple of the speakers right here. You see, I mean, they're so tiny. You know, got the double magnet. But and matter of fact, well, let me makes such a big difference too when you open and close this box. But let me just open it and give you guys a look. Basically what I did. It's really simple. But I was gonna dynamite it because I thought it would need it, but it doesn't even really need it. But I mean, that's the amp, the Bluetooth, all built in one. And then I made it to where basically you could change your battery out right here. So I do this one hand, but see, that's what runs it. You just put a new battery in. Let's see if it automatically connects. And there it goes. So you can just change your battery out. Easy money. Let's see, let me close this back up. I mean, that's literally all you have to do to swap your battery. I made it to where you could fit basically all the way up to a 5 amp hour. That was a 5 amp hour battery I put in there. But I showed my wife and she was like, "That's what you were doing in the shop?" But I was like, "Yeah." But I ordered. They had 5 sets of these on Amazon. They were $6. I ordered the rest of them. They're on like some kind of sellout or whatever. But I did go back on there and look, and I did find them for $8. The same, basically same little speaker, just had a different name. But that's just 2 little speakers. That's all that is. I mean, I don't know what more you could ask for out of a little box that I was basically gonna throw away. You know, I run all Dewalt tools. I mean, I have like almost every Dewalt tool. I even have a let me see over here. I even have the lawnmower and the weed eater. You know, so I'm a big Dewalt fan. But I got like a bunch of those cases that I never really wanted to throw away. I have a blower. So I did throw some of them away. I wish I wouldn't have now, but yeah, so basically, I mean, if you want to repurpose one of these little cases, I'll probably make a video in the future about how I did it. It was, I mean, you've seen it was super simple. You know, and I riveted for the industrial look. I put rivets to mount it. But anyways, So just want to make a quick video about my little Bluetooth speaker that I made. Hope everybody enjoys it. This is Easter Sunday. I'm getting ready to probably get the barbecue and stuff started. But anyways, that's what I've been doing in the shop. Happy Easter, everybody. Have a good day.